Hi guys, it's James from Dundee Science Centre here, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about rocket science and making our own balloon rocket. Okay? So to do this, all you need is a balloon, some string, a straw that the string can fit through, and some tape as well. Now, as you can see, I've inflated this balloon. It's pretty big, pretty full. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it onto this tape here. It's on the straw. Now, when I let go of the neck, all of that air is going to blast out, and it's hopefully going to go flying along this string towards Lewis over there. Okay? So, let's give it a try. Alright, let me just stick this on. Now, we need to do a countdown. So, are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Not bad, not bad. We didn't get quite all the way across, but we got a fair amount. Now, the reason it did that is because when I let go of the neck, all the air blasted out of the back, and that pushed the balloon forward. Now, this is because of something called Newton's third law of motion, okay? And that says for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So if the air blasts that way, the balloon's going to get sent that way, okay? Now, if you're going to do this at home, you could shake it up a little bit. You could try it with a different angle, maybe make the string a bit higher, see how that changes how far the balloon will go. You could maybe try different kind of levels of inflation of the balloon. So mine was pretty inflated, so you could see if you can get it even more inflated, or see how it works if you even underinflate it. You could try adding a few bits and pieces to the balloon, maybe try making it heavier, see how that affects it. But yeah, pretty cool stuff, I would say. Thanks for tuning in, guys.